Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn how to master English speaking. Mastering English speaking requires consistent practice and exposure. Here are some key strategies. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Actively immerse yourself in English. To master English speaking, immersion is one of the most effective techniques. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you will improve. Here's how you can actively immerse yourself in English. 1. Adjust your environment to English. Change the language settings on your phone, laptop, and social media apps to English. Label objects in your home with their English names to reinforce vocabulary. 2. Absorb English content daily. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Choose ones with subtitles to understand pronunciation and word usage. Listen to English podcasts and audiobooks while commuting or doing chores. This will help improve your listening skills and familiarize you with different accents. T. Apply English in everyday life. Describe your daily activities in English, such as what you are eating, doing, or planning. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. This will help improve fluency and reduce hesitation. 4. Associate with English speakers. Surround yourself with English-speaking friends or join communities where English is the primary language. Engage in conversations with native speakers or advanced learners to practice speaking naturally. 5. Actively participate in online English spaces. Join English-speaking forums, social media groups, or discussion platforms like Reddit and Quora. Engage in online discussions. Comment on posts in English, and write reviews to practice written expression. 2. Practice speaking daily. Practicing English daily is essential for fluency. The more you engage with the language, the more confident and natural your speech will become. Here's how you can effectively practice English every day. 1. Begin your day with English. Read an article, book, or news in English as soon as you wake up. Write down your thoughts, goals, or a short diary entry in English. 2. Boost your speaking skills with conversations. Talk to yourself in English about your daily activities. Find a speaking partner, tutor, or language exchange friend on platforms like italki, Cambly, or HelloTalk. Record yourself speaking and listen to identify areas for improvement. 3. Build vocabulary with practical words and phrases. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily and use them in sentences. Focus on phrases used in daily conversations rather than just individual words. Use flashcards, Quizlet, Anki to reinforce learning. 4. Bring English into your listening habits. Listen to English music and try to sing along. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos and mimic the pronunciation. Tune into English podcasts related to your interests while commuting or exercising. 5. Be consistent and track progress. Set specific goals, such as speaking for 10 minutes daily or learning 50 new words per week. Keep a journal or use language learning apps to track improvements. Reward yourself for consistency to stay motivated. By practicing English daily in different ways, you will gradually build confidence, fluency, and natural communication skills. 3. Think in English. Try to describe your surroundings or daily activities in English. Avoid translating from your native language. 4. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases daily. Use flashcards or apps like Anki or Quizlet. 5. Improve pronunciation. Mimic native speakers using shadowing techniques. Use resources like YouTube pronunciation tutorials or apps like Elsa Speak. 6. Master common phrases and idioms. Learn everyday expressions used by native speakers. Watch TV shows and note how people converse naturally. 7. Join English-speaking communities. Join English clubs, online forums, or social media groups. Participate in discussions, debates, or book clubs. 8. Take online classes or get a tutor. Platforms like Cambly, italki, or Preply offer one-on-one speaking practice. 9. Record yourself speaking. Listen to your recordings to identify mistakes and improve fluency. 10. Be confident and keep practicing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speak as much as possible and improvement will come naturally. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips, and we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.